Hi, John. It's Colin. Yeah, no problem getting rid of the files. Site graphics. The only one we really need to keep is this one right here. That's the floor fade, that bottom shadow image. The rest are gone. They were just used for the other components. But I wanted to show you something here. You asked about where your images are located for your site. Well, they're actually in the images folder. So we click in here and look, empty directory listing. Believe it or not, it's not actually empty. Here's a copy of the site I have locally, right? And watch this. I'm going to take these files right here. Okay, I'm just going to drag them over. I'm going to upload them to the server. All right. See up here it says going up. Now you work with Dreamweaver. I log into the server with FileZilla, an FTP client. Did you see what happened there? Watch this. Watch this window over here because I was yapping away. You see the images? There they are. They all go up there and then bang. Then it says empty directory listing, when in fact the images are actually there. So there's something going on with your server. It's the way the file, it's called file permissions. See the images folder right here? I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to select file permissions, and typically an image folder would be set up something like this, where we can view the files, we can do things with it, right? And I'm going to click, I'm going to change what's called the permission settings for this particular folder, right? I'm going to click OK, and up here it says could not change perms on images, permission denied. Okay, so what's happening is your web host has, and maybe it's because of the HTTPS settings on your server, but you will not be able to view any of those files on the server itself because that's the way the permissions are set for this folder by your web host, because I can't change them, as you saw right there. So you'd have to contact your host and ask them why the file permissions, or why you can't see your images on the server, and see if they can change those permission settings so you can actually see the pictures. Well, that's where they're located. They're all in here. The other ones I've gotten rid of out of the those miscellaneous image files. They're all gone. I left the one that we needed though.